So we're trying to take off a spot weld on a scooter battery pack and see if we can go to direct approach. Because the indirect approach has to do with a lot of stuff, like unspot welding here. So we're trying to see if we can go to indirect approach, or the direct approach, I mean. Imagine some of the metal is still going to stay with the battery.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that sounds like a winner.
Yeah.
So we just have to do that on the other side and see if the battery will push out. It's still some manual labor though. Oh, but you won't be able to take that out until you take these two out, because it's going to have to come out that way.
No. Try push it.
Oh, push it that way only. We're trying to change this battery right there.
This is where they're further. You see how it popped through?
Yeah.
So that's why you still need new ribbons. So most likely buy new ribbons and just cut this right there.
You want to try the smaller one?
So this one is probably because there's multiple spot welds on there. That's why.
Yeah, they were able to get that one really good.
Mm-hmm.
Now after you do this, we still have to figure out if they glued it in there or you just push it out simply, or it's going to be like even more adhesive material.
Yeah, you can just like I said, just buy new ribbons. They're not that expensive. Like something to hit with.
Oh, go to get something from a knife direction that's heavy.
Yeah.
It moved?
Yeah.
Oh, it moved. Whoa, it moved. It moved.
It's gonna be a hard
Miracle.
time getting the other battery back in because it's messing up the jacket.
Whoa. So this thing has like some kind of coating on it, and that one's like looks all metallic.
Well, this one has this jacket on there. Okay.
Oh, so that's the same jacket.
Yeah.
Wait, do you know what side was positive, which one's negative?
No, I don't, but it doesn't matter.
Do you remember how it came out?
Yeah. So
Where was what?
looking for the tap. See? The tap. This way.
I mean, does it alternate, or how do we even see?
So I think this. Oh, so this is positive, negative, positive, negative kind of thing. So this starts off negative. This is positive, right? So all of this seems like they might be parallel.
I got you a dumpling.
This might be parallel. So, but anyway, this one, this ring right here, where I beat on it, was like this. So this one should have a ring over here. See this ring? So we can.
Doesn't fit, huh?
It fit, but it's a tight fit.
This thing? Should I get you some like oil? Should I get you some like silicone spray?
Let's see if we can use it.
I'll get you a silicone spray.
I don't know if it's. Oh. No. Feel this. That's why. No, feel it. And it's a lip.
Yeah.
That's why we can't get it out.
Does it have a lip on this side?
Yeah.
Oh, there is a lip.
So what we need to do is just grind that lip off.
Yeah.
Then you can slip it in there.
Yeah. So because it came with two halves coming together.
Yeah.
They thought of the lip too.
Yeah. So that's why the jacket didn't come. That's why the jacket didn't come off. Okay, I forced it by pounding on it.
Yeah.
But yeah. So keep this together. So we can, you know.
Yeah.
But later, after I play with mine, and if it works out well, then we can come and just wean this off. Right? Just get like
A Dremel tool.
No, like step drill.
Oh.
Right? And drill it out to get rid of that lip. We want the other lip on the other side. We'll put this back in there.
And in the meantime, we set to buy this material.
Yeah. This is cheap. They're selling a roll of it at the time.
All right.
So we just cut here, and here, and then redo it. Cool. At least now I think I can fix mine.
What is all those batteries for?
This is that electric scooter that died.
Are you gonna replace all of them, or what?
Just the one went bad.
Wait, back. Can you introduce your friend to me?
Oh yeah. This is Uncle Ben.
Hello.
Uncle Ben.
Hello.
Uncle Ben is originally Uncle Chris's friend.
Oh.
Yeah.
And
Kira's dad.
Yeah. We went camping a couple of times.
And you met his girlfriend. They made Vietnamese food in the campsite.
Yeah.
Remember, you had to use quarters to go shower. You remember yet? We took the white van.
The only thing I remember is there someone made steak.
Did you guys make steak that day?
I don't remember.
No, it was another company.
You remember we were playing the red frisbee and it went up to the tree and we had to use the ladder to go up there and get it down? Oh, and we also hiked across the street and there was like a river on the other side and we kept on hiking across.
Sadly, no, but I only remember the shower.
Oh, what's the name of that place when we went camping?
I don't remember. It's in Marin County.
And there was like a giant mobile home across the thing that was brand new.
All I saw was like a salvage truck. There was a salvage truck somewhere.
You also played ball with these kids that are like white kids.
Wait, back.
They're called Axel
Is
and
this near the beach, like near water?
No.
No, I'm thinking about it. No.
remember that little sister's that's super cute? She has like blue eyes.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Isn't this the place with that place? But also, there's a really big someone bought an RV.
Yeah, a brand new RV that's super gorgeous.
I was thinking about the beach one. The one near the beach, remember? And then you lost your phone.
Oh, these kids are really bad memories.
Hey, no, I remember. This is the one with the RV. We played frisbee. We also played with a ball. But the other one I was thinking about was the one where we were near the beach and we went out to the beach and Dad tossed out his phone while fishing.
Yeah, that's a different campsite. That's like,
And someone made steak.
that's not Half Moon Bay.
That's where someone made steak.
Yeah.
So at least we know we can